Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your stick drift with the Xbox Series X or S settings with your controller. So you don't even have to open this up at all. You can just try recalibrating the stick. So go to settings right here and going down to devices and connections, and then go to the right, go to controllers and headsets. Then go to the three little dots on your controller. Go to more options and go on down to where it says recalibration options. Now under here, choose your right stick. You can see the left and right, and then we got the bumpers up here too. And then if there is any kind of stick drift, it should display on the screen. It will probably look like this or something like that. It's just going to be a little bit off center. And then we can go to the recalibration settings. And then we can begin this. So just follow this little ball around with your thumbstick. And you got to do this 6 times to the right. And make sure you have this at the maximum edge of the thumbstick. Otherwise, it's not going to count as a circle. So you got to do 6 times to the right. And then you got to do 6 times to the left. So there we go. And now we got to do it to the left. And just follow this little ball around. And stay within the white section. And we should be good. And then we got to do another thing after this where we go up, down, left, right. So I got 4 out of 6 now. All right. And then I got 5 out of 6. All right, now go to the up position. Just do it at the same time. And it's kind of hard to get this exactly. All right, then go to the right. All right, let's do it one more time. And left. All right, so there we go. I just recalibrated my stick, and it should center this out. So if there was a little bit of stick drift or something like that, it'll reset this back to the 0 position, right where the stick drift was. So hopefully this does indeed fix it. Otherwise, you could try maybe blowing into your thumbstick and see if that does dislodge something. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.